Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I am going to be showing you one of the most fine things you can experience in life. One of the things I've had since I was a child. It's bread pizza. And these are very, very close to my heart, and they're good for kids of any age. If you're a kid at heart, an actual kid, or a kid at university, me. It's a really cheap, quick meal, and it's really delicious. So let's get to it. Now, this is a good recipe. It's very diverse. You can cook them in the oven, which is preferred because you get the perfect crispiness of the toast. Or you can put it in a microwave if you don't have access to an oven, if you're in a college or so. It's just a little bit soggy, but actually there's something so delicious about it. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need for 4 bread pizzas. This really depends on what you like, but just put your favorite pizza toppings. I've got olives for me, not Flavia. Flavia does not like olives. We've got some chicken sausage for Flavia because Flavia does not like ham. And then we've got ham for me. And we've got red capsicum and a little bit of parsley. 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce per piece of bread. Pizza sauce is basically tomato paste with herbs in it. Some cheese. Now you can either use delicious grated cheese or good old coon slices, or bigger slices. Now this was my childhood. I love this so much. And then we've got 4 slices of white bread. Okay, now you can use fancy ingredients. All of this here is home brand except for the coon/bigger cheese and the Tip Top white bread, because Tip Top's the one. Good on your mum. And if you're not Australian, you're probably very confused right now, but that's like the best bread ad ever. Okay, so what we're going to do first is take our Tip Top bread. Put a tablespoon of our pizza sauce on top, put our favorite toppings, and then your cheese. Now, this is a very delicate process right now. You don't want to rush yourself, because this is when you can make mistakes and severely injure yourself. Now that's my childhood right there. Good old piece of coon, so good. And we put you to the side. Now we make a Flavia one. See, this is great because you can put whatever you want on it. I actually make this when friends come over sometimes if we don't know what else to cook, because it's so easy to do. So Flavia has the chicken sausage because she's a chicken and she's a sausage. And Flavia loves all the olives. Now ideally you would cook all of these in the oven because it makes them so nice and crispy on the bottom and ooey gooey on top, but I'm going to show you the difference and do some in the microwave as well. But for the oven ones, you want your oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, about 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook them for between about 5 to 7 minutes until it's all nice and golden bubbly on top. And then the ones in the microwave we're going to put in for about 1 to 2 minutes depending on the strength of your microwave. So we want to cook these ones first and then put these in at the end. So as you can see, the oven pizza has its structural integrity intact. Very firm, crunchy crisp, whereas the microwave one lacks structural integrity but has a lot of heart. So my childhood was the coon/bigger cheese slice, but as you can see, the shredded cheese gives a nicer coverage and more golden brown in both cases. This is the shredded cheese, this is the slice. And of course, sprinkle with parsley to finish. Let's eat. I am so eager to try these. Get it, eager.
He's such a coon. Loon. Get it?
So we're going to start with the microwave one first.
All right.
As you can see, a bit soft. Very cheesy.
It's delicious.
So it's not soggy, but it's got that bit of softness, kind of like leftover pizza in the microwave.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually. It's
leftover
enjoyable.
pizza.
It's definitely enjoyable.
The second one, much more rigid.
Yeah, much firmer base.
Yes.
Much more like actual pizza.
Yes, much more crispy. Oh, that's good. The cheese is actually less stringy than the ones in the microwave.
Yeah, it is.
So see, this is much more pizza-like in the sense it's crunchy, but the cheese on the microwave ones is just beautiful. Both of them.
Ooh, good idea.
Why not?
It's like a calzone.
We're kids.
It's like
kids.
a calzone now.
You get the both of both based.
Both.
You get the both of best worth. Why did I never do this as a child?
Okay, do this.
Okay. This was our plan all along. Do this, microwave and pizza one, and put it together.
I was just thinking about while we were making this first time you ever made bread pizza for me, and it was like our first sleepover, and you're like, oh, I got you chicken because I know you don't like ham, and I was like, oh, so
Like
precious.
today.
I'd never thought of having bread pizza before, so when you first made it for me, you're like, yeah, bread pizza. I was like, what the hell is that? But it's a genius thing.
Fun for all ages. Actually, I like the microwave one better.
I mean,
I actually
really
like
them both, but you know.
Microwave, hands down. Wow. I like it so much more even though the bread's slightly soggy-ish. I love it. Bye oven, microwave, hell yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.